description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that came from James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much, sir. This is JML, Jin Mai Long, with their Big Soup, Big Taste Seafood Flavor Instant Noodle. And there's a special ingredient for the garnish that I'm going to showcase in this at his suggestion. And he sent it along. And it's something I've never tried before. And it's funny because when I cook something in here that's a little different, and my wife comes out for lunch, quite often she'll just say, "What's that smell?" And I'll have to explain what that smell is. Generally, she says that when it's something she's not really into, and it's like prawn or something really funky seafoody. There we go. The noodle is in. I should have shown you more of that noodle block, because the noodle block is interesting. It's kind of concave. Nope, a little late for that. And we've got our veg sachet. I might have seafood in it as well. And then we have a large sachet of liquid soup base. But this is a big soup with big taste. At least that's what they're telling me. So yeah. How's your day going? I hope it's going well. Well, what's that smell? This one's from China. It will cost you 10% more in the future. Unless you... Oh no, you're in the future. Maybe it won't. A lot of these tariffs seem to be like just disappearing all of a sudden. It's like, we're going to charge Canada a tariff. Oh wait, we're going to back down on that. We're going to pause the tariff. What's funny about the Canadian one is the fact that I guess what he wanted is more border security from Canada. So he's like, okay, we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll do all these things for you. It was already approved by the Canadian government in December. So it's kind of silly. But hey, you know, I guess he didn't know. But this is what I'm going to try today, is this Antarctic krill meat by Aquamarine. It's krill meat in water. So I'm a little fearful. I don't know. I love trying new things, but new things in a tin often make me a little, I don't know. But we'll see. God, my nose is just going nuts. And I don't know exactly why. The first one I did today was spicy-ish. It was a Korean style variety. I say Korean style because it's made in the US. But the second one certainly wasn't. But yeah, my nose is truly irritated with me. But yeah, look at that water boil. Oh boy, I know who's loving this. Oh boy, they're loving it a bunch. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. I don't know. If I can make people happy by letting them watch water boil, I am all over it. Enjoy the boiling of the water. Here, we'll get you right in on that. There you go. You can't really get much closer than that, can you? I mean, you could. I don't know how well it'd work. Makes me think I should do this with the GoPro, because the GoPro will do 240 frame per second recording, which basically means each second is 4 seconds. So it's like super duper 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 slow-mo. The thing gets hot. I rarely use it anymore. I used it for a mukbang the other day and it worked. Well, I haven't edited that video yet, but it seems like it worked very well. Alright, so let's zoom out. Give this an unadulterated try. I don't know. Let me rearrange my fro here. Alright. Here's the noodle. There is a lot of this noodle. Like an incredibly large amount. There is the noodle. Cheers. Pleasant, a light chew, a large amount of outer gumminess, but it's good. I like that. Let's try the broth with its. Come on, I want to try that. No, it doesn't want me to, folks. Well, I will find one later. But here is the broth, the appealing, creamy looking broth. Boy, that really is hot. Temperature wise, that is. It's got a nice seafood flavor. All right. So now we'll put it together and we're going to try this krill. Krill and plankton from the sea. Sea greens. I can't remember the whole quote. My buddy does. It's a quote from a line from Logan's Run. If you've never seen that movie, I recommend you do. That's like one of my favorite movies ever. It's very good. Okay, let me see. Oops, sorry. I'm going to attempt to get some of this little bits of fish cake off of here. Sorry about the scratching sounds. I know. Here's one I'll try. Yeah, it's just like little narutamaki. Exactly what you would expect. Alright, now for this. It's right here. It smells like it would be good with seafood flavored things. I want to add all of it, honestly, because I don't have any other call to add it to anything else. So let's get it a little less enjoined in its formed nature. Yeah, that's a little better. Put some on here. Ooh. It's salty. It's a lot like shrimp. But it's like if you had ground beef, this is kind of like ground shrimp. That's what I'm getting out of it. But there's a lot of protein it mentions. Fishy protein. Protein of the sea. From the sea greens and such. Yeah, I mean, I think you could take this stuff, fry it up with a little egg, or mix it with egg and fry it, and you could make like krill burger. I don't want to go overboard. That looks about right. Interesting. It's not bad. It works well. I figured as much. I mean, it is very of the sea. If you don't like seafood, you will hate this. You'll hate the noodles too if you don't like seafood, because this has a nice seafood flavor. And yeah, I think that's as far as I was going to add all of it, but maybe I'll have this for lunch and add the rest in. Krill meat. There we are. Thanks. There you go. I can now say that I have ingested the food that whales ingest. Now I've had krill. Now next stop is plankton. But krill? Yeah, not bad. All right. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Try something new. It won't kill you. Well, try something new within reason. Stay away from things that will kill you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.